Dolls. It's your girl Karen, and I'm back. This is January 1st, and this is my first, I'm so excited, thrift trip of the year. I love this time of year because everything is on sale. Now, I have two things. I have a 20% coupon, and I also have $20 that I was gifted for Christmas from one of my favorite clients. Hey girl, hey, because she does watch. Hey girl. So I'm here in King of Prussia because I was running errands. It's first of the month, so I have to pay bills. So I wanted to just, do some, banks are closed though, but I wanted to deposit some stuff in the ATM so I can pay a couple of bills that are due today. And then I just Googled the closest 2nd Avenue, and it happened to be King of Prussia. Now, I am not a fan of King of Prussia 2nd Avenue, but I'm here, it's close, so let's go inside to see if I can find anything. Now, I'm not particularly looking for how you say it, y'all? Particularly looking for anything. Coats, of course. Hats, as you can see, hats have become my thing. Scarves, I'll check out the jewelry, bags, shoes, they're normal. So let's go inside to see what we can find. So I started in jewelry. I found this piece. It's gold. It looked like somebody bit off. Super cute. I'm trying to find pieces that are interesting, that tell a story, that are bold, and I'm just going for different pieces that just tell a story. So that's where I'm going with content, or with my fashion. I spotted Michael Jackson, y'all. Child, so back to the shopping. I thought, when I see Michael Jackson, I was like, oh goodness, there go Michael Jackson. But he was so cute with his little Michael Jackson outfit on. But anyway, this is the shoe section. I love to thrift shoes. I found these snakeskin booties. I love the heel. They were never worn. I don't need them, so I didn't pick them up. But look at these. Oh my God, they were so beautiful. I love the iridescent. This color, this blue is just excellent. And she was not my size. Why is it that we always find things that are not our size and we can't get them? So these are Ralph Lauren rain boots. I'm into rain boots right now. They were not my size, so I couldn't get them. These were very interesting. I don't know why I love a heel that, I guess it tells a story at the bottom. I don't know. It's just different. So let's keep looking at the shoes and see if I can find something to take home. I have been desperately looking for some silver shoes. These are not my size, so I was so upset. I want to thrift them. I've seen some around, but I actually want to thrift them. So this is a good shoe. It's a Calvin Klein shoe. This is an excellent shoe, but I didn't get it. Now this, OMG, this shoe was beautiful. It's like a size 11. I couldn't get it. So let's move over to the bags. I don't know if I'm gonna say the bags were given. I didn't find anything, so that's needless to say. I thought this bag was so cute, but it said Clinique or something on it, so I could use this for a travel bag or something like that, but I'm gonna just leave it right here because it's just gonna be in the way. Now this reminded me of a Chloe piece. I think it was faux leather, but it was a very good piece to pick up if you just want to run errands, curate an outfit real quick. I would rather just get the Chloe bag because I am a bag girl. And I love this. I love the snakeskin. I love the shape on this because it was up and down. What do you call that? Vertical. So I did love that. And I love this red bag. It was super cute. Now let's go on to the jackets. Now over here, y'all. Karen done found some stuff. Now, you know I love to thrift oversized, but did I just find a mango quilted jacket with orange inside lining? Yes, I did. And it was only $13.99. Now, I do love this jacket. I love it. I didn't love the price, but look, I found me this Zara jacket. Now, I do not like this price. It's $23.99, but this is in pristine condition. So I grabbed her. I do love this. I'm not quite sure what I can do with her, but I do love it. I love the color. I love the structure. I love the shape. It is oversized. I'll think about it. So, as you know, my coat video just dropped. And girl, did I just find another mango quilted jacket? Yes, I did. In this beautiful olive green. So, I'm going to grab her as well. Now, I've been looking for a cute little vintage trench thrift find. And definitely that is a find. So, I love the shoulders. It is giving YSL, so I'm going to grab it. Yeah, I'm surprisingly finding a lot of stuff in here. Now, let's go over to the men's section and see what we can find. So, hoodies. I'm into hoodies. If you haven't noticed, I like to wear it to work with some oversized jeans or sweatpants, maybe some Doc Martens. Oh, Eagles. I love it. Too big for me, so I have to pass. So, let me just dig in and see what I can find. I'm always going to be a sucker for a faux leather mini skirt, and you know this. Oh my God. I just ran into Michael Jackson again. Like, he's so super adorable. He just around shopping. And I'm thinking he probably got his outfit from the thrift store. But he's being very creative. So that was my total, and then I used my 20% coupon and it came down to $59. Then I bounced over to Zara and I'm looking for all of the barrel jeans, the Wild Lake jeans, pants, whatever. Tried these brown ones on. I can't remember if I came home with them or not. I have to look at my bag to see. But I did love these. They're like a barrel type, I don't know, they like dress pants or something, but I love the structure of it. I love the pleats in the front, so I know I definitely grabbed these because they were a vibe. I love the way they fit, so I did grab these. And OMG, look at these. I love it. I love the length. You know, I love stuff that hit the ground because I'm a tall girl and I can't quite button it up on the side, but that's okay. I'm about to lose some weight and I'm about to be able to fit these all the way. They're medium. So I didn't buy these, but now that I'm going back in my footage, I'm like, they was fire. I should have got them. So they were like a black leather or faux leather baggy parachute pant. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get them. But if I would have got them, girl, my bill probably went like $200. But I'm gonna go back and get them because they are fire. So now I bounced over to Goodwill, which is not too far from King of Prussia area. I absolutely love this bag. I was ready to get it, ready to purchase, ready to buy. You see me putting it in a cart. But when I look at the price, girl, it was like $25, $30. So no, I'll pass. Bags give in this store. I'm at the Goodwill in East Norton. I always come through with some good stuff every time I come to the store. This is actually my favorite Goodwill. is what I'm talking about. I can definitely see me carrying her. And I don't know, like, it's not a name or anything, but it's just a vibe. And I absolutely loved this bag. Now, it's giving suitcase medicine bag. It has that Bottega type of pattern. It doesn't have a name or anything inside, but the bag is fire. So I came across a Zara dress. You know it ain't gonna be me if I don't put my hands on Zara. I didn't get it. It was too big. This is also a Zara piece. I really didn't like anything about the dress. I just picked it up because it was Zara. But these pants, I was so mad I could not fit these pants. It's just something about them that I just absolutely loved. Now, I came across this Future Collective dress. I couldn't fit it. It was too big. I tried. I was like, maybe an oversized blazer, something. I don't know. I didn't get it. I love this sweater. I love the shape of it, but I knew that it was not going to be the fit that I wanted. So I didn't even bother to try it on because there's something about the way the sleeves are made. And maybe I should have tried it on just to see. But this was a find. I grabbed it. Definitely grabbed it. And the color is green. And I ain't find nothing green, child. But this coat I thought was interesting. It was super cute. But when I tried it on, it just wasn't me. If it was a bit bigger, I probably would have loved it. Now, I came across these two denim, like, oversized shirts. They were super cute. I did love that, like, brownish color. I didn't walk away with it, but now I'm looking back at it. I should have grabbed at least that, like, orangey brown color. I love this sweater. I'm into oversized sweaters, so I am going to grab it. And guess what? She is green, so it sees 50% off. And I absolutely loved it. So let's move on to the shoes. Look at me making a mess. I love something about these pointy toe shoes. Now I absolutely love now, because now you can have the big oversized pants and you can have that little toe sticking out. So I love it. I found these Dunks. I almost bought them, but I don't know if they were, like, good to get. So hopefully somebody bought it and I'll let them love it. Now, did I just find some Doc Martens? Yes, I did. Now, they're like a little size. So I wish my granddaughter wore this size, because I definitely would grab them for her. Oh, I could have got it fixed, but just, girl, move on. Now, these boots, girl, I'm not going to say anything about it, but they had some finds in here, I will say. They really had some finds. Now, I loved these boots. The colors, I'm not a color girl, but I definitely would have grabbed them if I was. And the last thing I found was, I don't know, it was like a trench coat, raincoat. I love the print. Hey dolls, it's next day. I'm on a whole rant this morning because I have been on a roll. Like, people, get on my schedule. The post office that's not too far from the salon opens up at 8. It's supposed to be 8 to 4, I guess. When I tell you never. Every time, sometimes they're not open. I just don't get it. So I like to get at the salon early. As you know, I pack all my shipments, and then the post office opens at 8. I start working at 9. So I figure, hey, 8 o'clock, go drop my packages off, and then be back to work, because it's like 5 minutes away. Every time. Sorry. Every time, they never there. Today's Friday. Okay, you just had off yesterday. You should be ready and packed to go to get to work at 8 a.m. I got there. I said, gave them a little time. 8:10. Okay, you're not there. So people, if you are watching my YouTube and you work at Maniac Post Office, get to work on time. This is like all the time. It's not like it's all the time. Y'all need to get y'all together. Period. All right, continue to what y'all was doing, because that was my rant for today. But I got some good stuff. This is the next day, so I got some good stuff yesterday. Like, I can't wait to show y'all. it was a good thrift. I haven't thrifted since I came back from Dallas. So I was ready, child. Rent. And I did King of Prussia, and I said I hate King of Prussia, but I actually walked away with some really good stuff. And then I went to Zara, because Zara's having a sale. Right now they're at 30 and 40%. I like it better when they're 60%. So I'm gonna go again on Monday and see if the savings came down a little bit. But I did get 3 pair of pants, girl, and I spent $150. And you talking about me? I was upset. I kept telling the lady, like, my discount ain't come off. And she was looking like, girl, yes, it did. So I'm looking at the price. The stuff that I had got, like, 3 pair of pants for $150. Like, come on. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next. I'm driving. I will see y'all in the next video. I'm on sprint. I hope I get to the post office, because, girl, they done made me upset. All right.